Good morning students, welcome to online class 6th subject mathematics. Today's our topic is prime factorization. So first of all you have to know what is prime factorization. Prime factorization is decomposition of composite number as product of primes. Decomposition का meaning है स्मॉल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना किसी भी चीज को. यहाँ पे किसकी डिकम्पोजिशन करनी है हमें? कंपोजिट नंबर की एज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम्स. यानी कि जब हम किसी भी कंपोजिट नंबर को प्राइम नंबर्स की मल्टीप्लाई में लिखते हैं तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऑफ वर्कशीट 4 इज फाइंड the prime factorization of the following numbers. First one is 78. Now we find prime factorization of 78 by division method. So first of all we write 78. Now smallest prime number is 2. So we start from 2. This number is divisible by 2. Yes. So when we divide this number by 2, 2 3s are 6. Left 1, then 1 and 8, 18. 2 9s are 18. Now 39 is not divisible by 2. We proceed to 3. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now 13 is prime number, so it goes on table of itself. 13 1s are 13, and when we got 1 we stop the process. So prime factorization of 78 is, so prime factorization of 39 is 2 multiply 3 multiply 13, and this is prime factorization. See, all these three numbers are prime numbers and their multiplication is equal to 78. So this is prime factorization of 78. Now part F is, we have to find prime factorization of 240. So by division method we start from 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and then 0. Again 120 divisible by 2. 2 6s are 12, and then 0. Again 60 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. Again 30 is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, left with 1, and then 10. 2 5s are 10. Now 15 divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. Again 5 is prime number, so 5 1s are 5. We stop the process now. So 240 is equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. This is prime factorization of 240. We can also write this as 2 is how many times? 1 2 3 4. 4 टाइम्स है तो हम इसको 2 to the power 4 लिखेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. दिस इज प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 240. In the same manner you can solve all parts of question number 1. Now question number 2 is write greatest 4-digit number. Express it as product of primes. Means ग्रेटेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर को प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम्स में लिखना है, यानी कि प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करनी है उसकी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ग्रेटेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर इज इक्वल्स टू 9999। Now start prime factorization of the number by division method. The number is not divisible by 2. You know, because at ones place it has 9. But the number is divisible by 3 because sum of digit is 36. Now 3 3s are 9, again 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3. Again this number is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 and same as. Now the number is not divisible by 3, then 5. The number is also not divisible by 5, but the number is divisible by 7. You can check the divisibility in rough work. When we divide the number by 7, remainder is 5, so the number is not divisible by 7. Now next prime number is 11. The number is divisible by 11 because sum of digit at odd places 1 and 1 2, and sum of digit at even places is also 2, so the difference is 0, hence number is divisible by 11. So 11 ones are 11. When we brought down 2 digit, we add 0 to the quotient, then 11 ones are 11. Now 101 is prime number, so 101 को 1 से करेंगे तो ये आएगा. Now we stop the process. Now we have to write this number as product of primes, hence 9999 is equals to 3 multiply 3 multiply 11 multiply 101, and we can write this one as 3 की power 2 multiply 11 multiply 101, and this is your answer. Similarly, question number 3 you can do yourself, where the smallest 4 digit number is 1000 and you have to find prime factorization of 1000. Now question number 4 is express each of the following as sum of two odd primes. First number is 18. We have to express 18 as sum of two numbers, where the two numbers should be odd primes, means odd number भी होने चाहिए और वो prime numbers भी होने चाहिए. So there is not any formula to write this number as sum of two odd primes. We can use hit and trial method, means we can guess, or first of all write all the odd primes less than 18. 18 से कम जो भी odd primes हैं उनको list करो, and these are 3 5 7 11 13 and 17. Now choose the two numbers whose sum is 18, and you know 11 plus 7 is 18, so we can write 18 as 7 plus 11. Or any other pair you can find 13 and 5, so you can also write 18 as 5 plus 13. These two are odd primes, these two are also odd primes. Now for 32. Now odd primes less than 32 are these. Now we have to choose two prime whose sum is 32. See 3 and 29 sum up to 32, so we can write 32 as 3 plus 29. Or can you see any other pair? Yes, 13 and 19. These two odd primes also sum up to 32. So we can write 32 as 13 plus 19. Same way you can solve the third part. Now question number 5 is same as 4. Express the following as sum of 3 odd primes. इसमें हमें 41 को 3 नंबर्स की एडिशन में लिखना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्राइम ओड प्राइम्स लेस देन 41 आर. नाउ चूज 3 नंबर्स हुज सम इज 41. 3 plus 7 10. 10 and 31 41. So we can choose 3 plus 7 plus 31. Or any other pair? Yes, 5, 19 and 17 also sum up to 41. 5, 7, 17 and 19. You can write 41 either in this way or this way. Similarly, you can solve all the questions of worksheet 4. Thank you and have a nice day.